to the school grind. Oh my gosh. I love Gushers. I'm wearing my new thing that I got. It's pretty nice, pretty clean. I don't actually have a lot of schoolwork to do today, but hopefully we get it done. Go down to the pool today, go down to the beach. Dad said there's a bird on our deck. Oh my god. You in the way. That's pretty cool. Okay, see you.
Would you please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
We're going shelling. Stupid. And we're literally going down to the beach, freaking collect shells and put them in bags. Apparently. It's gonna be stupid. See you. Mom literally bought us each individual shelling bags.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Turn off the camera.
I saw a necklace at one of the stores that they
Oh my gosh, you guys. Welcome to the ocean. Jeez. I'm very embarrassed right now. We're all four out here right now, and we actually are doing this.
Do we have enough snacks to survive is the question.
And we're actually doing this in front of people. This is actually so embarrassing. Mom and Dad love it though, so we'll let them out their fun.
The red tide's really... Lennon.
What? The red tide. Mom, can I put this in my bag? A lot of shells. Crazy.
The number of them is pretty crazy. Carson. Looking for a mollusk today.
Look at this, you guys.
Marco Island 2021.
Marco Island, take me back.
Found a sand dollar.
It's a live sand dollar. The dead ones are white.
Can I buy a Reese's? And then a Reese's cup.
I was hoping for a live salad $1.50.
Did anybody check that shell right there?
See ya.
Perfect.
Video. Barnacles.
No, do an action. I don't like this.
It's better. Look, just look at the
No,
camera.
please don't do a video. It's not quality.
Video. Oh.
Please do an actual.
Yeah, I'll do both.
No,
So
Mom.
we're all happy.
Oh my gosh, you always want to get you right. Because I want a quality photo.
You can take a picture as you're taking a video.
Hi, family.
Lunchtime. We just got done shelling. It was pretty fun.
Did you say pretty fun?
I'm about to eat my lunch. Here we go, you guys. Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows.
Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows. Everything that's wonderful is what I feel when we're together. Brighter than a lucky penny when you're near. The rain goes, disappears, dear, and I feel so fine. Just to know that you are mine. My life is sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows. That's how this ring goes. So come on, join in. Everybody, sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows. Everything that's wonderful is sure to come your way when you're in love to stay. Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows. Everything that's wonderful is.
Stop.
I know, but
We're on the beach now.
you can. I don't mind.
Oh. But yeah, we're on the beach and I'm gonna get some sun today. Get some rays. Landed ray.
Again.
Oh, you're getting that. I'm sick of you just. We're gonna see if we can get 10.
I can't believe he got that one.
Are you kidding?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 10, 11.
Some balloons floating. Okay. This is what I'm seeing right now, you guys. Just sunlight and just a beautiful beach. A beautiful beach view. What is it? Who wants to play some frisbee? What? Oh, jeez. Dad says this is gonna be the most beautiful sunset we've had all week. So we'll see if that's true.
Oh, it looks wonderful though. Absolutely gorgeous. A wonderful little supper here. Watching the sunset.
So that excites you guys?
Carson just poured his root beer and it's perfectly filled.
I really picked the
But
perfect
they were
amount of ice.
bored with the shelling.
Look
Look at that. Every drop.
Look like
I picked the perfect amount of ice actually.
Tell me how that's more exciting than
Landon, the bubble
finding
floated.
shells.
Wait, what?
I don't get you people.
Is it Tuesday? Is it Wednesday?
Ice down there.
There are no series.
It's curious the different chicken.
Let me try to eat real quick.
Look at Landon looking off. Take it.
Well, this.
Okay, yeah, but
Me and
after this, I want to look at this.
Me and the boys and mom.
And look at I can. Carson. This is the greatest thing these eyes have ever seen.
This is the most beautiful sight these eyes have ever seen.
Landon, take a picture of this. It's on the sunset. Moon. Oh, sorry.
Jeez, it went so fast.
I got a roof.
This is actually cool. Look here.
These are going on the Instagram. Welcome. My crib.
Thank you. I mean, not just
This is recorded on the whole hem gimbal, you guys.
No, okay, what if it actually dropped?
Can do the shot I just did earlier, but like this is gonna be even better stabilizing. Holy
Images everywhere. Oh, that's how it's done.
There's got to be a winner in there somewhere, right?
get a shot for the vlog. Here, mom. Watch
Wait,
out.
it's, you know my vision. The shell in focus and Carson not
Look at
focused.
it. Look at
The pink like show up on the right side.
it. Here, no, hold it out. Hold it out. Actually, this is gonna be so sick. Not really, but it's gonna be funny.
Should not stare at the camera either.
Just got back from a wonderful late night pool swim and hot tub time. Ice cream. See you guys tomorrow. Or next video. I don't know when this will be. But see you guys later.